Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sagar Goswami, filmmaker, photographer and videographer. On my channel you will find more videos about filming, traveling and tips and tricks to use filming gears. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with a thorough review about this bag. I have kept all my filming gears, my 2 DSLR cameras and couple of lenses and Osmo Pockets kit as well. As they say that it has a large capacity bag for travel, but let's find out. And you know what I feel about this bag? This thing looks like a glow-in-the-dark material, but I'm not sure, they don't claim it. But I really want to find out if this really glows in the dark. Okay. Let's find out. Nope, not at all. It's not glow in the dark, but it was worth a try, right? Okay, so let me open the biggest pocket first. That's the highlight about this bag, and I will open the small pocket at the very end. This one, that's my favorite. So you get this mesh pocket, and you also get this pocket for your accessories, cables and material, whatever you want to keep it. Don't put your tablet here because this one tends to fold it and you don't want to harm your tablet as well. This mesh pocket I use to keep my lens caps and ND filters. This has 4 separators for your lenses. Again, it's all customizable. You will get these Velcro pads. You can customize accordingly. I'm keeping my DSLR here with the lens, and this pouch is mine. It doesn't come with the bag, but it's very handy because I keep all my batteries, cards and remotes, shutter remotes, anything you want to keep separation. Or for example, you can use it for used batteries, used cards, unused cards, whatever. But this is very handy, very handy. I will put the links to buy it separately. And as you can see, I have made these 2 separators because I don't want my DSLR to lose hang around. That's why I kept 2 separators, and I used to keep it like this. Again, it's your choice, however you want to use it. Now let's talk about this bag. This can be used as a secondary bag. See? So this is complete separate bag. Now the good feature about this bag is it will stay on its place. You don't need to lie it down every time. And again, I'll open this. See, card slots. I think I have a couple of cards here. Yeah. Camera with lens itself, batteries, straps. These Caravengers comes with the bag, and you can put your batteries inside, whatever extra thing you have. And again, it has separate Velcro pads. You can customize this as well. It also has a strap, waist strap. You can use it on your waist to use it as a separate camera bag. If you feel that you don't need to carry all your stuff, you can keep this bag in your car and just take it out. This can be used for your Mavic drone, can be used for your secondary camera, or it can be used for your Osmo, whatever you like. But this has a separate camera bag for smaller kit, which is very handful and very handy. And also this comes with a shoulder strap. If you don't want to tie it around your waist, you can use the shoulder strap to hang it around your neck. As you can see, these are the stands so that the bag can be stand on its own, and it's really secure. I really like the durability and toughness of this bag. Comes with these clips, small pocket for your wallets, keys. Second one, it has a mesh pocket here. I used to keep my small foams or rubber bands and small brush to clean the lens and camera. This thing again, smaller pockets for your papers, or I don't know, maybe passport or something. But this bag can be used as a complete travel bag. So you can keep your pens. I'm keeping a lens cleaner as well. Now let's come to the side. This one has a separate pocket for your tripod, and tripod can be hanged one leg inside, strap it around, one more strap if you have a longer tripod, and this can go inside this velcro pouch. Inside this, as I showed you in the last video of unboxing, I use this pocket for my rain cover. I find it useful to this, and again mind you, this bag is waterproof for rain, not for the swimming pool, or you cannot jump into the lake. Let's come to the other side of this. Again, straps, the longest strap for tripod or smaller tripod. This doesn't have a pocket inside, but it can be used to tie around maybe your yoga mat or any jacket or any tent or anything which can be hanged. I'm using it for my selfie stick and my GorillaPod. This little pocket for your visiting card or your personal information, so that you don't lose the bag. That's it. Now let me show you a secret pocket for your laptop. They claim your 15.6-inch laptop can be inserted inside. I've never used it, but I will definitely check it out, and I will let you know in another video if I'm using it for my laptop. I have a 15.6-inch laptop. Now let me talk about my favorite pocket. So this pocket is not very big in size, but very tough from outside, and that's the main reason why I like about this, because I can put my Osmo inside. If you have a Mavic drone, you can also put that inside. So main purpose of this pocket is to keep your smaller gadgets which are fragile, which needs extra protection and which has to be handy. That's why they keep this pocket outside, so that you can take it out very easily. All my accessories for the Osmo Pocket, right now I'm shooting with the Osmo Pocket and I slide it here inside. This yellow velcro, I got it from my old bag and it fits perfectly for my Osmo Pocket. I just slides it in. I can still put Mavic or anything which is smaller in size. Now let's move on to the straps and all the features from outside, and also I'm going to carry it around. Let's see how it feels. So after carrying this bag, it feels a little heavy. That's because I'm carrying all my stuffs. And let's find out if I use this. You know what? They even have a whistle. How cool is that? Oh God, not for you. Yeah, better. So this is good. Yeah. Not so heavy, and it has small pockets. You can use it for camera caps, lens caps, or this side as well, maybe for coins or anything but you like. Now let's talk about some demerits of this bag. Some of the things that are not good in this bag. First of all, you cannot take it out. That's really a demerit point. You cannot take out this waist strap, and also this doesn't have a side pocket as a zipper. I'm not talking about the side opening of the bag. No, it should be something side pocket basically. If you want to keep anything, any of your belongings which you don't want to be seen, to be hang around, for example a smaller rig or something, it should be either this side or this side. I feel that it should be a small pocket here. Well, other than that, I don't feel there is anything wrong with the bag. Everything is good. So guys, overall I'm really impressed with this bag. I feel that it's good enough to carry all your camera stuff along with your personal stuffs. If you are going for a weekend trip, weekend out trip, you can carry your couple of t-shirts, jeans and other stuff, as long as with all your camera gears. I'm pretty sure about this because I'm already carrying it and it doesn't feel heavy. If you have more tips and tricks and suggestions to use this bag more efficiently for traveling purpose, especially for photographers and videographers, please let me know your suggestions in the comment box, and also like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.